This is a admin application. So in the admin application you can do each and everything here. You can see the all option is available here. So basically you can see the pose options, okay, as well you have a dashboard, product details, customer details, delivery and everything, okay. So from these details you can manage the proper application, proper mobile application, Android and iOS, okay. So the all kind of application, all kind of features is available in this process. So basically one by one I can explain to you so you can better understand this one. I just click on that, okay. So I just click on the pause application. So I just go back to pause, okay. And now, okay, so now I just book the one product. I have to book the two products, and as well I have to mention the add-on parts in the second product, and I'm just going back to the first product on the add-on parts. Super fast delivery I have to add on in the first product. Second product I have to mention in this medium part, okay. So you can see that is a window. When I click here, the window will become and close, open and close. There are two options, okay. If I just book as an iron, then I click on the iron. If I just book on the iron, then I click on the iron. So the both option is available here. So if I want to choose the color option on that window, then I just click here, and same part I just click here, okay. So the all options is available. Accordingly we can delete and we can update this one, and multiple functions is available, right? I just click on the this one, okay, normal packaging for the product. And for the second one I just choose, because we are selecting this one, so I just choose the testing or coloring, okay. So I just choose the coloring. The all options will be there, okay. If I want to update, then just click here and one window will be pop up, then you can close up here, okay. So I just book my customer. I just set the customer, and if I don't have a registered customer, then I have a click on the plus button and register on the customer from here, okay. There's small form, and after that I just click on the complete booking. When I click on the complete booking, it will be asked to you, or you want to make an invoice, okay. If you want to make an invoice, just click on here and make it an invoice properly. Now successfully created, the invoice is created here, okay. Now so you can see that here. So properly you can make an invoice. If you want to make a tag, so I just click on the print tag. So I can create a print tag here, and it as well he can print it out here. So all options is here. So you can see here, so that is a print barcode, okay. 1/2, it means you have a two products, okay. So that's why 1/2, 2/2, it means you have overall two products for the single clients. The product name, add-ons, and the service name as well here. That is a code number, okay, the customer code number. So you can easily make over from here. That is a barcode number. So that it will be unique for each and every services. I just go back to home directly once again, and I can see the each and every application, every options here, okay. So I can make is an invoice. I just want to make invoice, just click on the print invoice, then invoice directly go to the post thermal printer. If I have a thermal printer, then it will be directly comes up the two windows, first window and two invoice. The two invoice for the first customer and second for the admin side. I'm just go back to once again on my admin part, okay. So here is a product information. You can make a service, category, product, price, add-on menus. So you can add on each and everything like coloring, packaging, damage parts, and everything you can manage from here, okay. And it will be directly reflect on the pose window. I just go back to my pose window so you can better explain about here one. So my all option will be directly goes to here, okay. So that is a optional part. So if you want to add on like color, packaging, damage, distance, you will be add from here, and it will be mentioned in this part, okay. So I just, you can say the stance is a grease, oil and testing. So I just check where is mentioned grease, oiling and testing, it will be mentioned. So grease, oil and testing, it will be mentioned. So whatever option we will be mentioned, whatever option we will be want, then I can mention here and directly reflect on pause window. That is the admin window, that is a branch window, you can say is like that, okay. So product, you want to add the product, you have an option, you can add the product. You have a windows, new window, so you can directly add the product from here, and the product directly mentioned from the here. Okay, so that is the admin part. So delivery boy, you will be create here the delivery boy application we have. So each and every delivery boy application will be registered, and after registered you will be update from here. You will be approved or disapproved. You have an options, so you will be approved and disapproved, and accordingly it will be work on it. Okay, so that is a delivery boy application, delivery boy optionals. Okay, so I just go back here and I just click in the delivery boy, so you can see the all part of the delivery boy. So you can see the all application, all information of the delivery boy. Okay, so you can create a delivery boy, and delivery boy as well, he can do the registration, and after that you can approve him and you can process it accordingly. Okay, and I'll just go back to the ordering, whatever order I will be mentioned from the application side, so you can reflect here. So I just go back to my order, so I can check the order is working or not. Okay, so that is my application. So I just that is my category. Okay, men's, women's and kids. When I click on the kids, it directly goes to the kids. I just click on the kids and go to the kids. I just click on the women's and go to the women's, and just go to the men's and go to the men's. So basically what happened here, each and every category is available, and according to category it will be show the price rate and product. When I click the service on the dry cleaning, and the all dry cleaning service and product is available here with the price rate. Okay, so I just change my services, iron and washing and ironing now. So I just click on the dry cleaning, women, kids and everywhere. So I just click here blazer, jeans and cottons. Okay, I just click here and continue. I have to select the two products, and I want to check the discount. So suppose that I have a discount here, 50% discount, so it's very good thing. So my payment will be less directly 50%. I just go back to the confirm order. I just confirm the order. I can see, so here is a pickup date. What will be the pickup date of the clothes? So when I click the pickup date of 6, then all kind of pickup options is available in the 1 hour options. Okay, so I just want to pick up on that time. And what will be the delivery part? Okay, so what will be the delivery option? So I can choose the delivery Sunday because I'm free on the Sunday, so that's why I have to book it at here, and just click on the next button and address is available. Okay, so there are two options. One option, address, you can manage by the use current locations. Okay, via you can create your own location, whatever you have. So you have an option to the search, and you have an option to add new way as a manually. So I have already location, so I just click here and place the order. Okay, so I just call back to here, and the all kind of order will be placed here. So now you can see my order is placed. Why is placed? Because we have to cash on delivery, we have to choose the options. So details of the order, you can see the all details, order detail, detail time, pickup time, delivery time, and everything is there. As well the invoice is mentioned, where is mentioned the $1430. That is my amount of that one. So I just track my order. My order is a pending mode. Okay, so I just check on my admin panel, it's worked or not. So the order is dating or not. So I just refresh it and I just check it out. The order is available on the 6th delivery pickup. That is my order. Okay, so that is unpaid because that is a cash on delivery. So that's why I just click here and I can see the product is same or not. Okay, the product is same. Okay, so I just go back here and assign the delivery boy for that single product, for the single clients in the. So if he is paid, so I can update the page, and as well I have to assign to delivery boy. So I have assigned to delivery boy to. So I have to assign to someone to this delivery boy. Okay, and I have to mention whatever command I want to do, that I like I assign to him, assign to someone. Okay, so I just submit it, and now what is the warning? Please change the order status. Okay, so we did not change the order status, so that's why it's showing to us. Okay, so what we will do mistake, we will do we didn't do assign button click. So when I click the assign, because we are assigning to someone. Okay, so when I click the assign and someone, and after that I submit it, then it will be take the order. It's loading. Now it's done. Okay, so I just go back here and I check it here, it's available or not. So I just go back, okay, and I refresh it. Now you can see the my order is available. I have to assign to the delivery boy to Shravan, so this entry is available here. So you can see that this entry, okay, the previous it will be order placed status, now is order assigned status. Okay, so I can see and I can open my delivery boy application, so I can see this Shravan, this client is assigned or not. So I can open my application. Okay, so go back to the delivery boy application so we can check it here. So I just go back my delivery boy application, I just open here. Okay, start. Now what will be the password? Wait, I'm just putting here. Okay, so I just put the details and just submit it, and it's login. It's asking to about the delivery application, so that's why it's on your GPS location. I just submit it and my application is open. Okay, so now I just check the option is available or not, because admin is assigned to me. So I just check my order, one order is assigned. The Rohit is one of the orders, is the 6th October. This is one of the orders, so I can just click here and I can check the proper detail is not or not. So when I click and when I go to the customer and I just click on the ready to pick up and it's marked, you can see it's marked. Now I just go back to my admin part once again and refresh, so I can check the status of that one. So now you can check the status of it, so is marked or not. So now I just click on the pick up a marks. When I pick up the mark, there are three options will be available. Bag number, what will be the bag number of customer? Suppose that I have a bag number of the 10 of the customer. What is the weight of the clothes? So I just put the weight of the 20 kg, and I have to mention there are no broken, okay. So everything is fine, status is okay. So I just mention if I want to take any kind of picture, so we can do that, but right now we are not using this one, so that's why I just click on the marked and submit it. Now you can see the order status is updated successfully. Okay, so I just click on the mark, so I can see the status of that one. I just go back to admin and check the status is changed or not. Now you can see the status is placed order, it means the order is placed. Okay, so status is already changed according to the application. So now is a proper view about that one. So that is a proper way of the application. Now you can see the each and everything what I am to explaining to you. So I'm just go back once again here. Okay, now I can see, but I didn't change the status of my payment, so I just go back here and change my status of my payments, because that is paid, because the customer is paid to him directly, so that's why. So I just change here and the status of the page. So my status change, I just go back to my customer list, so I can check my overall customer list, how many customer we have. So I can go back and check my customer. So yeah, okay, yeah, so that is my customer. So my online total customers I can check here. Okay, and then my offline customers I can check here. So by application or without application, you can see here. So there are two options here, so you can do that properly. Okay, so that is a proper admin part, so you can directly do that, and delivery boy and everything is here. I just go back to subscription part as well. So whatever subscription you will be make, that subscription will be directly show into the user application. Okay, I just go back to here and open the application. So now I just open my application, that is a user application, so I can check my subscription part what we have. Right now we have a platinum and gold. Okay, now there are platinum and gold, so both option whatever subscription we will be make it out, it will be show here. So that is a simple similar part. So whatever subscription I will buy, I have a click here and I can check and subscription to buy. Okay, so suppose that I want to just buy, then I just click here and want to here and just go back to here and put it down the ID, password and everything. My open and just submit it, and once again the window is payment is done. So payment is done. Now is go back to redirect you automatically to successfully done. Your subscription has to buy. So you can check my active subscription is gold plan. Okay, so it is valid for the 4 December 2023 because it's already paid for the 30 or 60 days. Okay, so that is my subscription plan. So you can do that. That is my application. You can everything you can check the home page. You can check everything. My order, you can see the order. Okay, so customer check the all kind of orders. I can check the order and I can check my order, track ordering. Okay, so price list, I can see the whatever price is the single cost or single category wise, single product wise. So I can check here. That is all kind of options here. So multiple options is able, I can see that here. Okay, so that is a account information, that is a added profile information, so I can edit the profile, so I can do that here. Okay, so that is a proper application of the, that is a notification part. So the proper user application, so I can do that user application here as well. I'm just showing to you my delivery boy application. So that is my delivery boy application. So in the delivery boy application, you can see the total, active, pending and complete orders. So there are four options, the total orders and accounts as well. Okay, so I just go back total order. I have to take the total order 1, 2 order. Okay, so that is my new orders and my pending order and my complete order. So the all status you can see here, and how many income you can get from that one. So you can that here, that is a order wise income you can mention here, because this employee is salaried, so that's why it's not mentioned. Now you can see this is salaried employee, so that's why it's not mentioned. So that is a delivery boy application, so you can do that easily. So I have to show you delivery boy application and Android application as well. So there are proper application overview, so you can do each and everything via the application and via the Android application and the iOS application. The Android and iOS application both are same. Okay, so that's why that is my admin. So in the admin side, I can do each and everything as well. I have an option to manage the roles, so I can make a multiple staff member. Suppose that I want to make a staff member, so I can do that here. I have an option, so I can make a multiple staff member from here. Okay, so that is a staff member options. So I just click here and get to the some permission, so I can choose that what permission they have. They have only administrator permission, the all permission is here. Okay, so I can do that. Is a role based, so whatever role you will be assigned to the branch, assigned to the administrator, it will do that. So I just go back to here and I just assign to dashboard this and this, and mention the name of the this roles, so that role will be assigned to that person. Okay, that is the application setting. If you want to manage any kind of photos in all, then you can do that. The same photos we have to fetch it out here, so I just showing to you so you will not get any kind of confusion. I just go back to here. Now you can see the three photos. I can see the dry cleaning, ironing and washing. So the three photos is available here: dry cleaning, ironing and washing. Okay, so whatever photos I will be do that, I can manage from the admin side. And about section is as well managed by the admin side. This language is by the admin side, and I can see in the about, so I can see this language. So this language is directly related to the admin side. Okay, so it's directly opened by the admin side. So I'm just explaining to you features of the admin, that is a FAQ and a payment settings and the all application, all part of that here. So basically that is a main and important part of the order part. So whatever order, whatever you want, then you can do that as well. You can manage the invoice part and want to add it and everything. Just click on the order, then you can get the order status, what will be the order status here. Okay, so you can manage properly here. So that is the application part properly. So I have we have right now these options, we have a proper applications right now. So you can do that in the dashboard. You can get the all details, all customers, total order, pending order, complete order and everything, the graph as well, so you can check properly. So I think I have explained you properly. If you have any kind of query, any kind of thing, so please let me know that. Thank you.